In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate Webflow from a fresh Google search, open your project, and use the Apps panel to find the SVG import tool that helps you work with SVG colors using Webflow variables. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Webflow. On the results page, look for the official Webflow result with the title, Create a Custom Website, Visual Website Builder. It should point to the main Webflow domain. Click that result to continue. If you see multiple ads or similar tools, double-check the URL before you click so you land on the correct site. Once you're on Webflow, proceed to your workspace dashboard. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken there automatically. If not, follow the on-screen prompts to get into your account. From your list of projects, find the one you want to work on and click View Site. This will open the project so you can continue into your build environment. Give it a moment to load if your connection is slow. When your project is open in Webflow, look for the Apps area. In the Designer, this typically appears as an Apps panel you can open from the interface. Click Apps to bring up the marketplace and integrations available for your project. This is where you can discover tools that extend Webflow's capabilities. Inside the Apps panel, click into the Search field to start narrowing down the catalog. Searching here is the quickest way to jump directly to a specific integration instead of browsing categories. Type SVG import into the search field. As you type, Webflow will filter the results to show matching apps. Make sure the spelling is correct so the right option appears at the top. When you see the result labeled SVG import to change SVG colors using Webflow variables, click it. This opens the app's detail page. Here you can review what the tool does, how it works with CSS variables, and why it's useful when you want consistent, themable colors across your icons and illustrations. You'll typically find an overview, key features, screenshots, and notes about compatibility. Take a moment to read through the description so you understand how it integrates with your existing design system and how it leverages variables to keep your color choices centralized and easy to update. And that's it. You've gone from a basic Google search to the Webflow dashboard, opened your project, navigated to the Apps panel, searched for SVG import, and landed on the app page where you can learn more and decide how it fits into your workflow.